In 1776, the 13 United States of America declared that they would assume powers of governance from old King George. They held certain truths to be self-evident, that all men were created equal to their peers, and were entitled to certain unalienable rights. But not all truth is self-evident. Truth must be backed up by hard evidence to create trust. And we live in an online by default, post-pandemic, interconnected world, so we need to base decisions on truth as agreed by all the stakeholders. Otherwise, we can't make the right decisions about COVID at borders or agree quality and safety of produce in our complex agricultural supply chains, or even trust the disclosures about environmental impact of corporations' activities as we all try to get to net zero. All of these fundamental problems require many stakeholders in business and government ecosystems to agree on what constitutes the truth. So, single source of truth is a concept where all organisations in a supply chain or ecosystems in a business supply chain can base decisions on the same data. To create a single source of truth, a decentralised approach is essential, and that's one where all peers are empowered to govern their shared data together, to make sure that their systems are trustworthy, that they are resilient. And this is the principle upon which we built our SICCAR platform, using a decentralised register of data, where everyone involved can contribute to the chain of custody of that information with shared governance and shared protection of the data, so that everybody can rely on the single source of truth. As was said back in 1776, governance is instituted amongst men, deriving empowerment from the consent of the governed.